Hello everyone, myself Deepak. Today I am explaining about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that adds dynamic features to web pages. It's a key part for web development. Firstly, we should learn about variable. Variable is a named memory location which stores the data. In JavaScript, variable can be declared in four ways. Firstly, we should declare a variable automatically. Variable name and assign some value like 10. Then we should print. See the output. See, output is 10. There are few ways to declare the variable. Another way to declare the variable is using var. Using var, see the output will be 10. Another few ways to declare a variable using let. Again, output is 10. Last way to declare variable using constant. See the output is 10. These are the ways to declare a variable. Let's see the key differences between var, let, and const. Var it can be declared without initialization, and also let it can be declared without initialization. But using const it can be declared without initialization. It can't be initialization. Next, we move on to the next topic: arrays. Array is a collection of same type of data in a contiguous memory location. Syntax: let array name equal to item 1, item 2, and so on. This is the syntax for declaring an array. Let's see the one example sample code. Let courses is equal to HTML CSS. Console.log courses. Then see the output. See HTML CSS. This is the array. Then we move on to the next topic called functions. Function is nothing but a block of code which executes whenever you call. Let's see the syntax for definition of a function. Function name, parameters inside the block, function body. This is the syntax for function definition. And function name, arguments are values. This is the syntax for function call. Let's see the sample program. Function name a, return a plus b, console.log abbmap. We should pass the arguments 2, 3. The output will be 5. Let's check the output. See the output is the 5. The advantages of using function is to use the code reusability. Next, arrow function in JavaScript. Arrow function do not have the prototype property like arguments or sopers. The arrow function cannot be used with the new keyword. Arrow functions cannot be used as constructors. Let's say the sample program. Before the sample program, let's introduce the syntax for arrow function. Let function name equal to arguments, arrow function, arrow expression. This is the syntax for arrow function. Let's see the example for arrow function. Let sum equal to arguments a comma b. Let's passing a comma b arguments arrow. Then we should write the expression here. Then printing it. Function call. Function is function call. Let's pass the arguments like 2 comma 4. This is the arrow function. Output will be 6. Let's check the output. Sorry, some error here. Sum plus operand. See, output will be 6. Next dive into the topic. Objects. In JavaScript, object is collection of related data and functions known as properties and methods respectively. Properties are key value pairs that store data, while methods are functions associated with the object that can manipulate its properties. Let's see the sample program for the objects. Const a equal to new for memory allocation, so constructor initialization, then accessing using object a dot a is equal to 32, then print it. Console dot log of o. Print like its key value pair. Sorry, some typo mistake here. See, key value pair. Age is a key. Age value is 32. Print like a key value pair. Then the difference between arrays and objects. Arrays and objects. Index type. Array is a accessed by using indexes. Objects are accessing by keys. Array is an ordered collection. Objects is an unordered collections. Next we move on to the loops, iterative statements. Iterative statements. A block of code repeatedly as long as specified condition remains true. Types of loops. First, for loop. Let's see the syntax. Before syntax, we should know about the for loop. For loop in JavaScript repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. Let's check the syntax. Syntax for loop. For initialization, condition, we should write the condition here. Then condition, then update. Update means increment or decrement. Let's see some example for loop. Let x equal to 1, x less than 3, x plus plus. Print console dot log of x. The output will be 1, 2. Let's check it. Sorry, it's a single code here. Let's check the output 1, 2. Here is the output. Then we should move on to the while loop. While loop. In JavaScript, while loop executes a block of code as long as specified condition is true. In JavaScript, this loop evaluates the condition before each iteration and continues running as long as the condition remains true. Let's see the syntax for while loop. While condition, then block of code. Let's see the sample program. X initialization x equal to 1, while x less than 3, console dot log of x plus plus. The output will be 1, 2. See, output will be 1, 2. Let's see the do while loop. Do while loop. Do while loop guarantees that code block will execute at least once, whether condition is met initially or not. Do while loop is a exit control loop. The loop will execute once without checking the condition. Let's check the sample program. Here x equal to 1, do console.log of x plus plus, see here the condition while x less than 1. Here the condition x less than 1, here we are getting 1, condition is not true. In this case, while and for loop does not execute, but do while loop execute once without checking the statement. Then output will be 1. Let's check. See, output will be 1. This is about loops. Thank you for watching the video.